AOPA GO version 1.4 has been updated with several new helpful features and a few improvements to existing features. The weather module enhancements include a weather station favorite list, color-coded weather conditions, a weather map carousel, and a weather refresh method to be sure the most up-to-date conditions are displayed. Some other improvements include a favorite airport synchronization and the ability to reverse a planned route. Let's begin by looking at the weather module changes. Similar to the favorite airport list, AOPA GO can now maintain a separate list of favorite weather stations. This can be a helpful separation since you may want to view the weather at airports that are nearby, but ones you wouldn't normally fly to. For example, in our area where AOPA is headquartered, Frederick, Maryland, we have several Class B airports in close proximity. These are airports that typical GA aircraft don't often frequent, but they always have great weather information. So by maintaining a separate list of favorite weather stations, we can keep these Class B airports in that list and keep our favorite airport list reserved for airports that we actually fly to. You can have the same airport in both lists, but being able to designate a list of favorite weather stations helps reduce cluttering in our favorite airport list. We've also modified the quick reference details that are displayed in these two different favorites lists. When viewing favorite airports, the airport tile will contain common communication frequencies, runway information, and traffic pattern altitudes. When viewing the favorite weather station list, the tiles contain details about the current weather conditions, as well as wind direction, velocity, visibility, ceiling, altimeter, and temperature and dew point. As with the favorite airport list, tapping on a tile will take you to the airport card to view the full details. Once you set up your separate favorite lists, we think you'll find this is a handy new enhancement that will save a little time. Another enhancement to the weather module is the color coding of weather conditions. This follows the same logic as the color coding that is used in the online version of AOPA Weather and in the AOPA Flight Planner. When certain weather conditions are determined to be cautionary, the text in both METARs and TAFs is color-coded in orange. If the conditions are more severe, the text will be displayed in red to indicate them as a warning or even dangerous. This makes it very easy to see adverse conditions so they don't get overlooked, which improves the overall decision-making process. To make sure you always have the latest weather information available, we have added a pull to refresh gesture to all the weather pages. Simply pull the page down from the top, and AOPA GO will retrieve the latest weather information available for the weather stations you're currently viewing. Another enhancement included in this version of AOPA GO is Favorite Airport Sync. This synchronizes airports you set as favorites across multiple devices where AOPA GO is installed, as well as the online version of AOPA Airports. This is a bi-directional sync, so even if you set the favorite airport using the AOPA Airport directory on our website, the same airport will be set as a favorite in AOPA GO. The last enhancement in this version of Go, and a popular request, was the ability to reverse a saved route like the AOPA Flight Planner allows. Selecting a saved route in the flight planning module of Go will allow you to edit the route, and then tap the dedicated button to reverse it. This creates a new flight plan where you can edit other parameters for the flight and save it as a new route. The old route is retained as is when the new reversed route is created. We hope you find these enhancements helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the AOPA Flight Planning Products YouTube channel to be alerted when we post new videos. As always, thanks for watching.